Hello, and welcome to this beautiful historic home that was built in the mid-1800s. This home offers so much history, so much character, so much beauty, zen, peace, and lots of opportunity for creativity. My name is Melissa B. McCall, also known as The Selling Bee, and I am so excited to give you a personal tour of this beautiful piece of history. If you are looking to own a piece of history only an hour and a half outside of the Atlanta, Georgia area, then you've got to see this. So let's get busy. This stunning farmhouse was built in the late 1800s, which means it could be one of the oldest residential houses in Hart County still standing. Embrace the charm and the detail of this historic 2-bedroom, 2-bath, fully fenced home, as it perfectly combines modern updates with historic charm. Now, all of the gorgeous pine wood on the walls, the ceilings, and the floors are original, and they have been carefully restored to its glorious magnificence. Every doorknob, window treatment, color choice, and architectural detail was intentionally customized to create a beautiful, private space to enjoy the simple life in a luxurious way. By the way, everything is new or updated. There's a new kitchen, owner's bathroom, guest bathroom, appliances, windows, electrical, the plumbing, the insulation, garage, outbuilding, driveway, fencing, landscaping, and so much more. No stone has been left unturned. Invite your friends to gather on this spacious, covered 3/4 wrap around porch and relax in a rocking chair and enjoy a nice cold beverage. Can you imagine the get-togethers that you would have while playing in the yard of this spacious lot while enjoying the many fruit trees and the fruit bushes? And you can retreat to your light-filled and well-appointed owner's bedroom and ensuite bathroom on the main level. The newly built 3-car garage plus golf cart garage plus mini workshop area, it provides you with the perfect amount of space to bring everything with you. Additionally, there is space for an RV, camper, or boat parking so that even your biggest toys have a designated place. And don't miss out on the bonus 16x40 building that is fully air conditioned and wired for internet. So you can bring your ideas for extra lodging, workshop, hideaway, or just extra storage. The building, it could be whatever you want it to be. Also, the attic space offers approximately 700 square feet of 12 to 14 foot high potential expansion space if you wanted to add more usable living space. And then take a short drive to the thriving historic downtown where you can enjoy locally owned shops, restaurants, festivals, and entertainment, or to the sought-after area known as beautiful Lake Hartwell. This prime location is easy access to area boat ramps and convenience stores. This renovated home is ready for you to start living your best life. And it isn't just a home, it is a way of life.